All right, how to change the battery in your Craftsman remote control garage door opener. First, I just take this little thing off the back. It's got a little slider in it here. I'll show you. So in the back, you see that it's got a little slider. It just comes out like that, and then it goes back in like that. No big deal. Take that out of there. Then you just got to pop this open. Right, the one side is the motherboard, and you'll see there's a contact right there for the battery. On this side is the battery. I'm going to set the motherboard down. You see the battery right there? All I do is just push it out. Bam, like that. Battery's out. Battery's just, all it does is it just slips in there like this. See that? Out and in. So let's get it out of there. That's done. Now we've got to get a new battery, right? So this is the batteries that you need for this. Luckily, I got one left. So I'm going to pop this baby out of here. Okay. So you're going to look, it's got two sides to it. It's got this one side here, and it's got the side with the lettering on it. The side with the lettering goes to the down. So you put the side with the little dots on it to the up, just like that. Now you're going to notice there's these two little thingamabobs right there. Well, those are going to go in to the bottom side of this. You see the contact on top? That's where the battery is going to go. So what we're going to do is we're going to flip this around like that, right? And it's going to go together. See that this little channel here? Those little things have to go in there. And then we just bring it together like that. And then all I've got to do is just squeeze it. And it sets. Now, the question is, you're going to see this side's kind of popping off, but this side's nice and tight. So I need to do a hack on this side. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get a tie, and I'm going to tie it around there. So I just happen to have a couple in here. And I guess I got to use one of these. Right, on these ties, if you put it in and you don't hear anything, you got it on the wrong side. So you hear that? That means I'm tightening. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get on this side of it. I'm going to put this tie on there, and then I'm just going to tighten it down. Just like that. Whoops. There we go. And then if I just keep it right on the edge like that, I should be good. Now I just got to cut off. All I got to do is cut off the edge of this. So grab my skeezers, and I'm going to cut it off. That is this is an ineloquent hack. A hack is a solution that's not eloquent. It's easy for me not to say. A hack is an ineloquent solution to a problem, and that's what this is. So now we just got to program it, right? So I got my little thing in there. Now you can choose to program any one of these holes, but we're going to do the big one because that's the one that my honey likes to use. So let's go to our Craftsman, which is up here. There she is. There's my Craftsman right up there. And we're going to program the garage door opener. All right, right now the garage door is open. So anyway, if you look on here, it does give you some directions. And I'm going to hold this on here so that you can read them and you can do a screenshot if you needed to. Here's the other directions over here. But what you have to do basically is you're just going to press this button here and you're going to get a light that's going to be solid. Now you got that solid light, you got about 30 seconds to figure out what you're going to do with this. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to press this one here and you're going to see it do that. And that's telling me that it just paired with this machine. So now all we got to do, let's just see. We'll try to close it. Here we go. You ready? Check it out. It's working. And that's how you program your remote Craftsman garage door open and shutter. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos on how to do stuff with stuff. Peace out.